Hello class, I wanted to take the opportunity to welcome you to week 1, the AutoCAD interface. What we're going to be doing this week, or the purpose of this week's module, is to get familiar with the AutoCAD interface and actually create a couple of very simple drawings. Okay, we're going to be starting out real nice and slow, okay, so that we can have a great start to this quarter, so that we can get the fundamentals locked in place. Okay, because with CAD software, with engineering design software, it's very important to have a very strong start. If you don't have the strong start, it's very difficult to have a strong finish. Okay, so our outcomes for this module are to be able to navigate the AutoCAD user interface at a basic level. I want you to be able to use lines and circles and other geometry tools to create basic shapes and save and upload drawings locally to your own computer and also to our cloud collaboration software that we'll be using, called A360, stands for Autodesk 360. The things we're going to do to meet these outcomes for this week's module is we're going to read and watch a quick tour of the interface, where you'll see a video from Autodesk and you'll see a video from me where I want you to follow along. And then we'll get acquainted with A360, with uploading files to A360 to keep our files there and to also collaborate with teams with our drawings there. We have our textbook chapter 1 that we will read. If you learn from reading, this is for you. Okay. If you don't learn from reading, I'd suggest you just use it as a reference. You go through it, you find the information that pertains to what we're talking about through these modules. Okay, and if this is for all of my students who may have not have touched a computer in a very long time, okay, if you feel hesitant about getting into the computer stuff, I highly recommend you do this optional computer basics and the mouse module to get really familiar with your computer before diving into learning about AutoCAD. Okay, if you've been on a computer your whole life, you probably don't need this optional module. The assignments we'll do after we've gone through the reading and watching learning is we will complete a concept check, which is a short quiz just to make sure you got the fundamental knowledge. We'll do lots of practice, lots and lots of practice, and we'll engage in a discussion where we're comparing a real set of civil and structural drawings to what we want to get out of this course. And finally, we'll end the week with testing our competency in the AutoCAD user interface and with just navigating this course through a quiz that will be due on Friday. Some tips for success is to take some additional time with this module. It's the first one. Okay, so you want to make sure you get real acquainted with how this class is structured. And again, take advantage of my availability. Okay, you not only have me during our class times, but you have me during my office hours Tuesday and Thursday from 1 to 3. And if those times don't work, you can email me to set up specific appointments. Take advantage that I am here. I'm a real person interacting with you, and I will set up a virtual meeting with you ASAP, okay, when you need it. That's my welcome, and I hope you enjoy this week's module. Let me know through email or call, text if you have any questions. Okay.